In this pre-market session of the 12th of July 2021, we can see that Marin Software Inc. is probably trading at $16.85. It has retraced by approximately 3%. So we can see the stock has since continued to correct and pull back, even though all in all it's still in a bullish trend, even though it's still if it's correcting at the moment, it's still pretty much in a bullish trend. Its underlying trend is a bullish one. Its 200-day moving average, as we can see here, is clearly upward sloping. You can see that it's upward sloping, and all the other ones, the 20-day, the 10-day, the 50-day, they're all strongly bullish. The 14-period the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. We can see that here. This is the MACD histogram is above zero and rising, but for some reason it's the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning, indicating that investors have lost their aggression towards the stock, and indeed that is why we're seeing that correction. That I want to believe this is probably up close to it is a correction, yes, definitely deep into a correction. Yes, this is what we're definitely seeing, but we can also see that the unbalanced volume indicator is strongly bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So all in all, we can still see that there is, if it's going to continue to pull back, we still expect it to pull back a lot more, at least much closer to at least its 10-day moving average or slightly below it, for us to call it a buy. For now, it's strictly just hold on for us. That's our opinion. Just hold on, see what's going to obtain. It's still very much hot, very hot from all of those squeezes it has been encountering. The short interests definitely is likely to still remain very high. Let's have a look and see what that is saying here on short squeeze, MRIN. It's currently saying it has reduced by 21%. Okay, so it's saying it's about 1.71% of the entire float, but that is this short interest is doesn't tell that, it tells a bigger picture, the picture of all the other instruments including options. But short squeeze, Marin Software, we're not exactly sure whether it has options, whether it's optionable. So let's quickly have a look and see whether it is it's optionable. Yes, it is. So that is not exactly the complete picture. So let's see whether we can look at the naked short report and see what it is saying there. MRIN. Yes, let's see what Marin is saying here. Okay, so we can see that for the last session we had about 59.77% of the last trading volume. So, and all in all, it has continued to remain close to 60% for some time now, since 29th of June. That was around that time the short squeeze, or the interest in the stock was around about the time it started. So all in all, even though we have this retracement, we have this pullback, we'll definitely want to see the stock pull back for us to call it a buy. But I know that is not exactly very good news for those who are already there, but if you're already there and the stock has continued to pull back, I would and you're really not comfortable about that, by all means take some money out, and if you have accrued some losses, move on to the next one, and let's see how things go for the stock. Indeed, the fundamentals are right. We have that news about it's an Instacart software as a service program, so which it will I think roll out, or it has already rolled out. So that's what's going on for it at the moment. So fundamentally it's all right, but if you can't bear these retracements, this correction we are seeing right now, by all means take some money out and see if it's going to pull back a bit for you to get in, if you really are vested in the stock. Outside that, just bear it and see if you can even put in some more money if it retraces and gets a lot cheaper. That is if you really believe in the stock. So thank you very much for watching this video.